you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for the kind of stocks that can completely change a portfolio over the next few years. Not the slow movers that go up 5% a year, but the companies that have a real chance to become the next generation of market leaders. The truth is that the biggest stock market winners usually look expensive before they become even more expensive. That's exactly what happened with companies like Apple, Amazon, and Nvidia during their major growth phases. Right now, the market is entering a new era driven by artificial intelligence, cloud computing, automation, electric vehicles, and advanced semiconductor technology. These trends are not temporary. They are reshaping how businesses operate, how consumers spend money, and how the global economy functions. The companies that dominate these areas could create enormous shareholder value over the next 5 to 10 years. In this video, we're going to look at 5 American-listed stocks that many investors believe have the potential to skyrocket from current levels. These are not random speculative picks. They are companies with strong revenue growth, competitive advantages, and major catalysts that could push their valuations much higher in the future. Let's start with the first stock. Palantir Technologies has become one of the most fascinating AI stories in the United States. For years, investors viewed Palantir primarily as a government contractor working with defense and intelligence agencies. But the company has evolved into something much larger. Today, Palantir is positioning itself as a critical operating system for organizations that want to use artificial intelligence and data analytics at scale. The opportunity is enormous. Every major company is collecting massive amounts of data from customers, supply chains, factories, financial systems, and digital platforms. The challenge is turning that data into decisions. Palantir's software helps organizations integrate information from different sources, analyze it in real time, and generate actionable insights. What makes Palantir particularly interesting is its growing commercial business. More private companies are adopting its AI platform to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and automate complex operations. If enterprise AI spending accelerates the way many analysts expect, Palantir could become a foundational infrastructure company for large organizations. Another important factor is profitability. Unlike many high-growth tech companies, Palantir has been demonstrating improving margins and strong cash generation. Investors are increasingly rewarding companies that can grow rapidly while also producing profits. That combination is relatively rare in the software sector. Of course, the stock is not without risk. Valuation expectations are high, and any slowdown in growth could lead to significant volatility. But if AI adoption continues to expand across industries, Palantir has a credible path to becoming a much larger company than it is today. The second stock is Advanced Micro Devices, better known as AMD. Most people associate AI chips with Nvidia, and for good reason. However, AMD may represent one of the most compelling alternative opportunities in the semiconductor industry. AMD has undergone a remarkable transformation over the last decade. The company went from being a struggling chipmaker to becoming a serious competitor in CPUs, GPS, and AI accelerators. Under CEO Lisa Su, AMD has consistently executed product launches and gained market share against much larger rivals. The key investment thesis revolves around AI infrastructure. Cloud providers, enterprise data centers, and AI startups are investing billions of dollars into computing hardware. As demand for AI training and inference continues to rise, customers are looking for additional suppliers beyond Nvidia. AMD's MI series accelerators are beginning to gain traction with major cloud companies. This is important because the AI market is unlikely to be controlled by a single company forever. The total addressable market is so large that multiple winners can emerge. Even capturing a modest share of global AI spending could translate into tens of billions of dollars in additional revenue for AMD. The company also benefits from diversification. It has exposure to gaming consoles, PCs, data centers, and embedded computing solutions. That diversified revenue base can provide some resilience during different market cycles. The main risk is competition. The semiconductor industry moves incredibly fast, and product leadership can change quickly. Nevertheless, if AI infrastructure spending remains strong for the next several years, AMD has a realistic opportunity to become one of the world's dominant semiconductor companies. The third stock is Amazon. Some investors assume that because Amazon is already a massive company, its best growth days are behind it. But that argument ignores the multiple high-margin businesses that are still expanding within the Amazon ecosystem. Amazon Web Services remains one of the most important cloud computing platforms in the world. As artificial intelligence applications become more widespread, companies need more computing power, more storage capacity, and more cloud infrastructure. Oz is directly positioned to benefit from that demand. What's particularly attractive about Oz is its profitability. Cloud computing generates significantly higher margins than traditional retail operations. As AWS grows, it can have a disproportionate impact on Amazon's overall earnings. Meanwhile, Amazon's retail business is becoming more efficient. The company has spent years building one of the largest logistics networks in America. Improvements in fulfillment, delivery routing, warehouse automation, and inventory management are helping reduce costs and improve operating margins. Another growth engine that often gets overlooked is advertising. Amazon has quietly built a massive advertising business because brands want visibility at the exact moment consumers are searching for products. Advertising is a high-margin business, and its contribution to Amazon's profitability continues to increase. Then there's AI integration across the entire company. Amazon is embedding AI into AWS services, shopping recommendations, logistics optimization, customer support, and smart devices. If generative AI becomes a foundational technology layer for businesses and consumers, Amazon could benefit from multiple revenue streams simultaneously. The stock may not double overnight, but Amazon's combination of scale, cash flow, innovation, and exposure to AI makes it one of the strongest long-term growth investments in the American market. The fourth stock is Tesla, and few companies generate as much debate among investors. Some people view Tesla primarily as an electric vehicle manufacturer facing increasing competition. Others see it as a technology platform with exposure to autonomous driving, energy storage, artificial intelligence, and robotics. The reason Tesla could skyrocket is that the market may eventually assign a much higher value to its technology assets than to its automotive business alone. Autonomous driving is the biggest catalyst. Tesla has collected billions of miles of real-world driving data from vehicles already on the road. That data is incredibly valuable for training AI systems that can navigate complex traffic environments. If Tesla achieves reliable large-scale autonomy, it could launch a robotaxi network that generates recurring revenue from transportation services rather than just one-time vehicle sales. That would fundamentally change the company's business model. The energy segment is another major opportunity. Tesla's battery storage products are seeing strong demand from utilities and commercial customers investing in renewable energy infrastructure. Grid-scale battery storage could become a massive global market as electricity systems incorporate more solar and wind power. Tesla is also pursuing humanoid robotics through its Optimus project. This is highly speculative, but if successful, it could open entirely new industrial and consumer markets. The risks are substantial. Competition in electric vehicles is intensifying, regulatory environments can change, and the stock is known for extreme volatility. But Tesla remains one of the few companies